Imagine traveling hundreds of miles through scorching deserts and treacherous paths, all for a single sentence, a single teaching. Would you do it? Today we share the remarkable story of a man who journeyed from Medina to Damascus for just one hadith and the profound wisdom he received. Our narrator, Kathir bin Qais, was sitting peacefully in a masjid in Damascus alongside the respected companion Abu Dharda, may Allah be pleased with him. Suddenly, a traveler appeared, dusty from his long journey, exhausted but determined. The man approached Abu Dharda and said, "O Abu Dharda, I have traveled all the way from Medina to Damascus to learn just one hadith from you. I know you heard it directly from the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him." But Abu Dharda wanted to test the man's sincerity. He asked, "Do you have any other business in Damascus?" "No," replied the traveler. "Are you absolutely certain you have no other work here?" Abu Dharda pressed. "I have come to this place with the sole purpose of learning this hadith," the man confirmed. Satisfied with the man's pure intention, Abu Dharda shared the golden words he had heard directly from the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Allah eases the way to paradise for one who travels a distance to seek knowledge. The angels spread their wings beneath his feet, and all things in the heavens and earth, even the fish in the depths of the oceans, pray for his forgiveness. The superiority of a person with knowledge over a person who only worships is like the superiority of the moon over all the stars. The scholars are the inheritors of the prophets. The legacy of the prophets is not gold or silver. Their legacy is knowledge. And whoever acquires knowledge acquires great wealth. Subhanallah. This traveler's journey wasn't just about collecting information. It was about understanding the immense value Allah places on those who sincerely seek knowledge. Think about it. The angels themselves honor such a person. Every creature in existence prays for their forgiveness. They become inheritors of the prophets themselves. In our digital age, when knowledge is just a click away, we might wonder, do we still need to make such journeys? But this hadith teaches us that it's not just about accessing information. It's about the sincerity, dedication, and sacrifice we make in pursuit of beneficial knowledge. So ask yourself, what lengths would you go to for authentic Islamic knowledge? How can you become among those travelers on the path to paradise? May Allah make us all sincere seekers of beneficial knowledge, and may He ease our path to paradise through learning and teaching His deen. If this story inspired you, share it with others who might benefit. Like and subscribe for more beautiful stories from our Islamic heritage. Barakallahu feekum, and until next time, keep seeking, keep learning, keep growing.